Hello everybody, who fancies a curry? I fancy a curry. Not homemade. I got it yesterday when we was out Christmas shopping, me and Nat. It's at our local market on a Tuesday and a Saturday. But I think he does quite a lot of the Midlands, and he's got a website and he delivers, if you get what I mean. So I don't know if he obviously must post them out. Let me show you. Hey mate, you alright? Yeah, I'm going to get some. Oh, you alright, Bab? What have you done? What are you having out of there, sweetheart?
Something not too spicy.
Like butter chicken, tikka masala.
Butter chicken, chicken masala, chicken balti.
Oh, look, can I have a balti then if you could get one?
You want? I'll have a balti one then, mate, please. I'll have a masala rice as well, please. What's the spiciest one you got here? You got a spice? Yeah, I'll have that. I'll have one of them, please. You have some samosas, sweetheart?
No, thank you.
No.
Veg pakoras and also if you
Got some pakoras?
just on there, some veg pakoras.
We'll have a portion of pakoras, mate. I'm getting there, 4 of them, please.
I don't want no onion.
I'll have 2 onion barges. And I will have 4 samosas as well, mate, please.
What's that, sorry?
Lamb or veg samosas?
I don't know, it's up to you. Lamb ones and all.
Lamb ones. You have lamb?
Have lamb ones.
We'll have lamb ones, mate. Yes, please. There you go, guys. The curry man. We'll try him today. There's his website there.
He's on Instagram.
He's on Instagram as well, the curry man. You want to have yourselves a look? He tries delicious food. Okay, this is what I've got. As you just seen, I got a masala rice. The curry man. He's on Instagram. I got a Dhaka chicken. I've never had that before. Never had one of them. That's why I got it. Thought I'd try it. And that's had a chicken balti. One of her go-tos when she has an Indian. A couple of onion barges. Look, massive end of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pakoras. And 1, 2, 3, 4 lamb samosas. Looking delicious. Now, obviously it's all cooked, isn't it? It's just got to be warmed through. Obviously you can microwave it or whatever you want to do. But because I want to have a look at them, I'm just going to do them 2 in the frying pan. Just to warm them back through. So we can have a look while they're cooking and get some of them smells. I'll put that in the microwave just to warm through. And these can go in the air fryer just to warm through. So it's quite simple really. Hopefully it's going to be a bit delicious. So let's have a quick open up and have a look at the balti one first. Actually, we'll move that out of the way. I'll just put them on a chopping board because I'm not going to get stuff everywhere. I know I will. If I can get it off. There we go. Chicken balti. There it is. That's what's in it. I don't know if you can see it. Did he? Smells really nice. There's a chicken balti one. The Dhaka chicken, which I've never had. So that's why I thought I'd try something a bit different. I can get the lids off. That's that one. Oh, and that smells nice as well. Ooh. Oh, that smells a little bit spicy as well, that one does. And the masala rice. There's the masala rice. That looks nice, doesn't it? And that smells delicious as well. Ooh. Okay. I'll set a couple of pans up first for them two. And I'll get the air fryer on. Okay, right then. I've got my pans on. Nice and low. I only have them on really low. I'm going to get the Dhaka in this one. I hope you can see the back one, yeah you can. And the chicken balti in the back one. And obviously all I need to do is warm it through, I think. But yeah, everything's cooked already, look, you can see. You'll have to let me know what you think of the price. I have had a look at like one of our local ones and it seems similar sort of price. What's the taste like? That's the point, isn't it? That's the point. And now we'll get the chicken balti, get another spoon in the back one here. There's loads of chicken in that one, look. Loads of chicken in that balti one. Okay. They don't look too bad, do they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces of chicken in there. How many's in there? In the balti? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. About the same. So it's about the same in each. So that's that done. I'm going to get the rest of the stuff in the air fryer. And the rice in the microwave while they're just simmering down and that. Okay, with the rice, I'm going to put it in a bowl. Because you can't pierce the tops of them, can you? Of them. So I'll put it in one of these. And I'll cover it up and we'll put it in the microwave just for a couple of minutes. Just to warm through. Get rid of all these lumps. I've got a nice smell in the kitchen, it's only been a minute. Got a lovely smell. Could also put a tablespoon of water in here, couldn't you? To stop it drying out a bit, but I think it'll be okay. Right, I'll get them in. Oh, it smells delicious in here, guys, honestly, it really does. It smells really, really nice. I'm not sure which one smells the best. Ooh. So we're only warming them through, that's all. Give them a few minutes. Right, it's all done. Up the table. Let's move that because that light's in the way. There we go. It looks quite nice. That had a bit of my sauce out of the pan. Said it's spicy. Think you saw it out. Couldn't wait. Yeah. Yeah. Let me show you. It looks quite nice actually, doesn't it? Mm. There's mine. A daska. There was loads of rice, more than I thought. I've done 3 of us. Because our lad usually just likes boiled rice. But he's had some of that as well. There's loads of it, isn't there? There's Nat's tikka. She's tucking in already. She can't wait. Not tikka, balti. And I left them in a couple of minutes too long while I was dishing up. But there they are, anyway. And that naan bread, I've done that loads of times on my channel, that's just from Aldi. I didn't know whether he'd done naan bread there, I didn't ask him, I should have. Now, first impressions, let's ask Nat first because she's eating hers. What she thinks of her balti.
Oh, it's very nice.
Is it nice?
It's lovely.
Yeah?
It's not spicy, it's just...
Perfect.
Perfect, yeah. Very, very nice.
What do you think of your rice?
I've never had this rice before.
Masala rice.
That's nice as well.
Yeah?
Dropped off one on the table.
Yeah, that's nice as well, then that, so...
Okay, vegetable pickle.
Go on then, you do yours first and I can do mine then.
I have vegetable pickle.
Yeah, you picked them, didn't you?
Very nice.
So she likes them as well. Right, let me have a crack. Let's go on to my rice first. Show you. Well, there we go. There's the rice. I usually do my curry on top of the rice, but I'll put it like that just so we can see what it looks like. That's okay, isn't it? Couldn't have a little bit warmer.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe another minute. A bit of salt in it though. You taste some salt in that?
I can taste a bit.
Ooh, a little bit of salt in there. Let's try the daska. I've never tried this before. Ever. Want to try some?
No, thank you. Excuse me.
It's got a nice little kick. Nothing over spicy. It's got a kick. I'm not sure about the flavours for me. Let's have a bit more. It's nice, don't get me wrong. But I'm wondering about whether I like this sort of flavouring. I'm not 100% sure at the moment. I'm not 100% sure. I'll eat a bit more and let you know. It's not, I'm not saying it's not nice. I'm saying it is nice and creamy. It's got a nice kick there. But I'm not sure whether that's for me. I've never tried it before. That's why I wanted it. But I'll eat a bit and then I'll let you know later on. Let's try one of these. Lamb ones. You picked the lamb ones, didn't you?
You did.
No, I said lamb or veg when you said lamb ones and
Oh,
all.
I just said get lamb.
I think you did anyway.
Get lamb for the challenge.
What was them?
I only for one of them, thank you.
They're nice.
Lamb samosas.
They're nice.
Have you tried some
Them
pakora?
samosas are nice.
Have you tried some pakora?
Let me try one. It's too much here, I can't eat everything. I was going to save some, but let's try one of these.
You gotta try half one of them on camera, ain't you?
Yeah, I've got to try some on camera, haven't I? Word. It's got a bit too much of a crunch, but that's down to me, really, air fryer. Put that there.
They're not dry neither.
No, they're not dry.
Because some vegetable pakoras can be dry.
Let's try an onion bhaji. I'll just cut it in half. I do like an onion bhaji. There it is. It's full, ain't it? Look.
You like them?
Yeah. Well, they're nice. Yeah. Well, I've got a bit of a spice to them as well then. I'm getting a weakling with spice that, I am. Ooh. Let me eat a bit of this curry. And I'll come back to you. Oh, that's hot. Got some spice in that. Onion bhaji. Ooh, it's burning me tongue. Mouth's burning. It's hot, that is. Me and that both come to the conclusion the rice is too salty for us, isn't it? But if you like salt, I mean, we don't have a lot of salt anyway. But if you like salt, you probably would. But it is a bit salty for us, isn't it, that rice? Yeah. Nat says there's something, feels like there's something missing out of a balti. Don't you? You're not sure what it is.
I'm not sure what it is.
That's the I've had. Oh, it's burning my mouth. It's nice, but I don't think I'd have it again because it's not for me. If you get what I mean, I've never had one before.
It's not your go-to.
I prefer to have a tikka or a vindaloo or something like that. You know what I mean? But I've never had one, so I want to try them. But it is nice. And onion bhajis are really hot, spicy. I think it might just be me getting worse with this spice.
It's not.
But that shouldn't burn me like that. Samosas I really like. The pakoras, they're more for Nat. I prefer to have a samosa and onion bhaji. But they're okay. Nat likes them, don't you?
I like vegetable pakora.
Yeah, so all in all, would I? It's hot. Is that burning you?
Mine's quite spicy, you know.
What, you balti?
Yeah.
All in all, is it better than a proper Indian? What's your opinion? I don't think it is.
I don't know what to say
No.
because it's homemade, isn't it?
I don't think it is. I don't think it's better than an Indian, personally. But it is nice. But Price-wise, it'd work out about the same for us at an Indian. For what I paid, I think I paid just under 30 quid. It's quite a lot of money. So might as well got an Indian, mightn't I? But it is nice if you like that sort of stuff. I mean, I went over the top because I wanted to try a bit of everything. I wouldn't normally do that. But all in all, I'm going to get... I'm going to get a 7.5 out of 10. It's not that I don't like it though, because I do like it. But that curry's not for me, which I can't blame him at all for that. I've never tried one. The rice is a bit salty, as I said. What are you going to give it, son? Sweet son, sweetheart.
What did you go?
I went 7.5. Just give it what you think.
I'm going to go.
Don't, just honest, ain't you? Just be honest.
I'm going to go 6.5.
6.5. You're 6.5.
Yeah.
Because you prefer the proper Indian one.
It's, pardon me.
It's burning your mouth, isn't it?
It's nice.
It's burning your mouth, isn't it? It's burning your mouth. It's only a balti.
Yeah, but it's homemade balti.
Yeah,
It's not a shop balti. It's a homemade balti.
Yeah.
The pakora really nice. I'm gonna stick with 6.5.
You're going to stick with 6.5.
I find the rice
too salty.
Salty.
But that's just us, isn't it?
That's
with
just
the salt.
us.
Yeah, that's just us.
But it's not my go-to rice. Like I said, like you with the curry, it's not my go-to rice. And something's missing and it's a little bit too spicy for me. But
apart from that. Yeah, okay. You'd prefer an Indian, wouldn't
I
you?
feel really like saying it, but yeah.
Why? No, you've got to be honest, ain't you? You've got to be honest. Yeah, that's our opinion anyway. I know some reviews on there said it's absolutely delicious. That's just our opinion.
Yeah.
Isn't it? That's our opinion.
Yeah.
You know. Yeah, but there we go. Anyway, something simple. It will all get ate. I will eat it. There's not a problem in that. But as I say, I'm the old food guy, the curry man. He's on Instagram. Till the next time, we'll see you later. Now, just at the end there, our lads had his, and he absolutely loved it. Because he loves a bit more rice. Doesn't he?
Yep.
A bit more salt.
He
Bit more
likes
rice.
salt.
He likes salt, you see, so he really liked it. So there you go, different of opinions, ain't it? Yeah, so there we go, just thought I'd let you know that at the end. If you like salt, you probably like it a bit more. See you later, bye-bye.
It did say on the box as well. That I just read that it got salt in it.
Yeah, it did say it got salt in it. I don't know if I showed you that. See you later.